Black and White by V. Hay, Dual Language, NYC. This is a horse. It is black and white. This is a cow. It is black and white. This is a dog. It is black and white. This is a cat. It is black and white. This is a whale. It is black and white. This is a dice. It is black and white. This is a soccer ball. It is black and white. This is a panda. It is black and white. This is a zebra. It is black and white. This is a skunk. It is black and white. This is a rooster. It is black and white. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Adios.